Prepare your home for New Year's with this complete Homemakers New Year's prep guide. In this guide, we're going to talk about the practical steps you can take to prep your home for 2023. Get ready, because this is it. Let's prep our home for the coming year with these steps. Tip number 1, deep clutter and deep clean. If you're getting ready to enter the New Year's, don't wait for the start of the new year to turn over a new leaf. Start decluttering and deep cleaning today. You can do it in just 15 minutes a day until the New Year's, and that will get you so further ahead than we already are right now. But if your home is a little bit more messy or even in complete chaos and you would like to get it sparkly for the new year, this is a hack I used to use when I first started my homemaking journey. As you may or may not know, I was the most messy and disorganized person in the whole entire world. So I did begin the Flylady System, but before that, my home was completely overwhelming and a complete mess. And that overwhelm and chaos led to me being frozen and not wanting to do anything. When I first started my journey, I used to do this check. Every 15 minutes, you're going to declutter, clean, or tidy depending on whatever step of the process you are for 15 minutes in the top of each hour. Remember, you can't clean clutter. So if you have clutter, you have to start there. This is preferably a day where you are home if you work outside the home. But for my full-time homemakers, every hour get to tidying. But this might only work if you don't have children inside the home. So if your children go to daycare or if they're in school, this will work for you. But mamas, if you have your children at home full-time with you, be reasonable and maybe select 2 or 3 hours that you can do this at, because the rest of the time, our children will be taking our attention. You can use this top of the hour hack if your home is in complete and utter chaos. Select one day where you have no distractions. I know this is difficult as moms and homemakers, but try to pick one day. Take every single hour for 15 minutes, go into your washroom and start decluttering. Be ruthless. Remember, these are just objects and the memory is not in them. They're actually in our hearts. So if you need to, take a picture, but be ruthless. The more things we have to manage, the more clutter we will have, the more stressed out we will be, and the less time we have for those that we love. So remember these when decluttering. Remember, this is that exception. You're only going to do this one time. And then I recommend the Flylady System so that you only get to clean 15 to 20 minutes a day maximum and still have a spotless and tidy home. Okay, so the next step we're going to take to get your home completely ready for the New Year's is freshen up your decor. So now that Christmas has passed, all we're going to do is take our decor and freshen it up. No need to spend loads of money on this. A simple wash in the washing machine is all that you need. If your budget allows to, maybe you can purchase 1 or 2 throw pillow covers, but please don't go overboard because we don't want to reclutter our homes. And if the budget allows, maybe you can buy 1 new item for your favorite room, but that's it. And please practice the 1 in, 1 out rule. If one thing comes in, one thing must go out. Otherwise, your home will be cluttered again and all your hard work will be for nothing. So when we freshen up our spaces, that may include getting some flowers if it's in the budget, or just simply rearranging our furniture. Any of these things count to get our home completely ready for 2023. Okay, the next step you're gonna take to get your home completely ready for the New Year's is organize your kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of the home after all. So if it's not working for you, it's time to reevaluate. Set up your kitchen in a way that works for you and your family. I know that certain ways can look aesthetically pleasing, but what's the point if it's not practical? If you won't be able to use it or put it back properly, things are going to end up more chaotic than they first started. So arrange your kitchen in a manner that is practical for you and your family in a stage of life. Prepare your kitchen in a way that makes sense for you and your family at the moment. Remember, you can always change things around later. But before the New Year starts, organize your kitchen and you will be so happy you did. Okay, next you're going to want to create an oasis. Make your home a relaxing and cozy retreat in any way that you can. Ideally, this will be the whole home, but New Year's is just around the corner. Anyway, when we have littles, it's kind of nearly impossible to keep it this way for long. So at least pick one spot in your entire home where it will be a cozy, dreamy oasis for you to come and refresh and relax. This will be the place to be in 2023. You will come and unwind here and relax and refresh yourself. This is absolutely essential for every homemaker and everyone, period. Eventually we will get our whole entire home to be cozy, warm, and aesthetically pleasing. But for now, with the bright children's toy, that's okay. Let them be. It's something that is part of your child's childhood, and we don't want to take that away from them. Eventually we have the aesthetically pleasing home. Remember, you can make your home cozy in other ways too. But for now, let it be. Have your oasis, and everything else, just understand that it's just a part of life and it's only a phase. Don't worry if your home is not Pinterest perfect. It is still a wonderful and loving home that you created. And don't you forget it. Okay, so next you're going to want to add some greenery. If the budget allows, try to get a house plant or some flowers. This not only looks beautiful, but also helps purify the air inside your home. So if the budget allows for it, go ahead and get some greenery. Greenery can also help uplift the mood and make you feel as you're in a tropical oasis. You can never go wrong with a little bit of greenery. Just make sure that you do budget for it because you don't want to affect family finance for it. However, certain stores such as the Home Depot might have some affordable potted plants that you can use in the meantime. Or even some wholesale flower shops might sell 1 or 2 bundles for you at a fraction of the cost. So be sure to check out all of your options. If none of these are an option, then just simply print out some photos of some greenery and hang them up on your wall. This will have almost the same effect, but it won't break the bank. The next step you're going to take to make your home ready for the New Year's is refresh your bedrooms. Is there anything in there that you don't want? Get rid of and donate old things and make space for the new year. Maybe you want to change your comforter, add some throw pillows if you have some, and add some wonderful smells to cause your room to be a wonderful and calming retreat. You can even hang up some artwork there, again printed out. You might even want to have some calming quotes on your wall to help you feel calm and relaxed and ready for the evening. Next, think about rearranging your furniture. Simply rearranging your furniture can help you to welcome the new year with a fresh start. You don't have to spend any money for this. All you have to do is think about how you would like your furniture to lay and rearrange it accordingly. This one can change the feel of the whole room in a matter of seconds, and it's absolutely free. Okay, next you can add some lighting. If you already have some candles in your home, feel free to use these for a nice, cozy, and romantic look. Otherwise, you can go to the $1.25 tree and get some fairy lights for the same effect. This can be absolutely done in an affordable manner, but it is a total mood changer and can help you prep your home for the new year. Okay, so next, if the budget allows, you might want to make some light repairs. DIY whatever repairs that you can, and that way you can save a ton of money. Otherwise, for bigger repairs, prepare yourself by writing them down in a list. That way you will have your mind at ease, knowing that when the budget is able to handle it, you can absolutely get these done. That way the worries are not following you into the new year because you already have a plan for these items. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do to get your home ready for 2023 is to set up a welcoming entrance. Make sure your entrance is welcoming and beautiful to welcome the new year and your name. Your front door will say a lot. Make sure that your entrance is very cozy and welcoming. This says a lot about your home. It is the first place that people see when they approach your home. Make people feel welcome by giving it a nice cleaning and adding a little bit of personal touches if you can. A cozy and beautiful entrance can brighten up anybody's day, and this is so super simple to do, so be sure to do this before the new year's. Next, you're going to want to set up a homemaking intention board for the new year's. Use this board to set your homemaking intentions as well as inspiring quotes and whatever else is motivating to you. That way you can look at it throughout the year to feel inspired, motivated, as well as productive. And speaking of productivity, if you want to know 7 top secrets of productive homemaker, check out this video here where I talk all about that. And I'll see you there in a bit. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.